Hey everyone, I want to show you these Nintendo Switch controllers. They're the standard colors of red and blue. They fit on my Nintendo Switch. They work pretty well. They work as expected. So one of my favorite things about these is that they're contoured on the back, so they fit better in my hand. I can feel like I really grip onto it and not lose it. They're still flush even though they have this contour, as you can see. So that makes it great for playing with the console. And on. Right now I'm playing with the Nintendo emulator, playing some classic games. As you can see, little classic Mario, Donkey Kong. All the buttons are good, nice and responsive.
Nice.
So the Joy-Cons have the same features as the stock ones. They come off just nice and easy with a single button click. Slide off. They have their corresponding attachments that slide up. They function just like the original Joy-Cons. I mean, they're easier to hold on to. The Joy-Cons are easier to hold on to because of the contour. They fit better. Here's the stock one. And here's this one. As you can see, the contours really help keep it in your hand when you're playing with just the single Joy-Con, rather than just kind of being small and skinny. The last thing that's cool is that they can be charged with a USB 2 cord off the console. So you can charge them whenever and wherever you need to, as long as you've got the right USB attachment. So overall, the controllers are responsive. They're contoured to fit your hand nicely. They can be charged outside of being used. And they're really a nice product.